Hi everyone, Mike here with the National Weather Service for a quick update to the winter weather we're expecting tonight into early Friday morning. Rain will transition to a wintry mix sometime in the northwest corner along the I-95 corridor between 7 and 10 p.m. tonight and transition eastward towards the coast between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. for the counties listed here, and then towards 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. for the coastal areas in North Carolina and South Carolina. A gale warning continues for the coastal waters, as well as a winter weather advisory starting 5 p.m. tonight through 10 a.m. Friday. The advisory has been expanded to include Marlborough and Dillon counties, which includes the cities of Bennettsville and Dillon in South Carolina. Here's the latest snowfall forecast from the National Weather Service, where the greatest impact will be southeast North Carolina, where between 1 and 2 inches can be expected for Robeson, Bladen, and Pender counties, and a dusting to less than an inch elsewhere. The main impact will be road conditions will deteriorate tonight into Friday morning, where commute times for the Friday morning commute will be a little bit more difficult, especially for bridges and overpasses where some icy conditions could occur. There is still a bit of uncertainty with the snow forecast, and there is a 1 in 10 chance that we could receive higher amounts shown here across the Cape Fear region. So total precipitation wise, we can see anywhere from half an inch to higher amounts near the coast between 1.5 and 2 inches. The main concern would be minor flooding along poor drainage and low-lying areas. This will be the coldest temperatures that we've experienced in a while. The coldest will be Friday night into Saturday morning, where temperatures will be in the mid-20s with wind chills in the lower 20s. Here are the key points to remember with the incoming wintry system. The main impact that we're expecting will be to roads and to travel late tonight into Friday morning, especially in the areas highlighted by the winter weather advisory. For all of us here at the National Weather Service, I'm Mike. Thanks for watching.